Welcome to day 7 of RERA in 92 days. Today, we are covering Section 7 of the RERA Act 2016. Section 7 deals with the revocation of registration. In simple words, this section gives the RERA Authority the power to cancel a project's registration if the promoter fails to comply with the provision of the Act. Let's understand when this can happen. A project's registration may be revoked if the promoter violates the provisions of the RERA Act, violates the Act or regulations framed under the Act, fails to comply with the condition attached to registration, engages in unfair practices or irregularities, makes false representation or misleading statements. In such situations, the RERA Authority can initiate proceedings for revocation. Why is Section 7 important for buyers? Because it acts as a strong safeguard against non-compliant developers. It ensures that registration is not merely a certificate, but a responsibility that must be maintained throughout the project's life cycle. Why is it important for developers? Because it emphasizes accountability and encourages compliance with legal obligations. Think of registration as a privilege, not a permanent right. If the promoter fails to comply with the law, that privilege can be withdrawn. In one sentence, Section 7 empowers the RERA Authority to revoke a project's registration when a promoter violates the Act or fails to comply with its requirement. In Day 8, we'll cover Section 8 and understand what happens to a project after its registration is revoked and how the interests of buyers are protected. Follow this series as we simplify all 92 sections of the RERA Act one day at a time.